Today we're making a chopped Greek salad. This is so delicious, perfect for spring and summer. Hi, I'm Tara with Simply Made Eats and welcome to my channel. Today we're making this chopped Greek salad. Chopped salads have been so crazy popular on social media, and I was trying to think of something that I make all the time that I could make into a chopped salad, and I'm like, oh, Greek salad. I make Greek salads all the time. This is a traditional Greek salad, but we're gonna be chopping it up really nice and fine to the point where you can almost eat it with a spoon. It's so yummy. You guys are gonna love this one because we're gonna make it all in one big salad bowl, and it's only gonna take 10 minutes to make. We're gonna first get started with our salad dressing. For this recipe, we're literally just gonna use a big salad bowl like this. Then we've got a cutting board and a knife. That's all we need for this whole recipe, which I love. You could also eat this for dinner. You can just add some chicken onto the top just to make it a full meal. And we're gonna start with just a clove of garlic. We wanna chop that really nice and fine. This is gonna go into our dressing. Once we get that garlic chopped, we're gonna go ahead and add it right into our salad bowl. Next, we have red wine vinegar, olive oil, a couple teaspoons of fresh lemon juice. We've got salt and pepper, a lot of oregano, and just 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Next, we're just gonna give our dressing a whisk just to combine everything. When it comes to lettuce, I really like romaine hearts for this recipe. I want it to be almost like a Caesar salad where it's really light and refreshing and you get that crunch. So I recommend using romaine hearts. This just comes in a package, but this is just 2 romaine hearts. I don't recommend regular romaine because it has a lot of leafy greens at the end, and it's just it doesn't give you the texture that we want from here. Okay, and you are seriously not gonna believe how easy this is. We are basically gonna just chop all of our ingredients up, throw them right into the bowl. We're gonna start with our lettuce because that's the biggest portion that we're gonna be using. So first I like to just slice it really nice and thin, and then I go back and chop it even more. Once I get 1 romaine heart chopped up, I'll just go ahead and transfer that right into our bowl so I have a little bit more room to cut up more stuff. Next, we're gonna chop up our red onion and our green pepper. You can also use roasted red peppers for this if you want a little bit of a different flavor, and you can use sweet yellow onions. I really like the tanginess that you get from the red onion. This salad is really perfect for summer. I like to sometimes I'll just leave it in the fridge for a few days and just pick out of it. I really like to spend most of my time outside with the kids in the summertime, and I love having stuff prepped ahead of time. When you slice a cucumber, you just want to slice it right in half, and then you're just going to go in and just cut some strips and just give those a nice chop too so they're nice and fine. I really like English cucumber for this recipe because you're not going to have all those really loose watery seeds. Then we're gonna go ahead and add our onions, peppers, and cucumber into our salad. The last thing we wanna chop up is just our kalamata olives. I bought them already sliced in half. I always I'm really careful about making sure that I chop them up and check them for pits before they go in my salads. I've also added some of these little grape cherry tomatoes. I'm not the biggest tomato fan, so I always leave them whole so they don't get all the juice and stuff out, but you can definitely slice them in half or in quarters. These are really small, so they're just easy to stick in the salad. Then I like to go ahead and add about 1/2 of my feta cheese, and I'll save the rest for the topping. And then we're gonna go ahead and toss this bad boy together. We wanna toss it really good because we've got all the dressing at the bottom. This is one of the easiest 1 bowl salads to make, and you can add some diced chicken if you want to. That'll make it a lot higher in protein. I like to add some of those tomatoes on the top, make sure that they're showing just because they look so pretty. It's like a pop of color in here. Once you're done tossing it, you can go ahead and add the feta cheese to the top just to finish it off. It looks pretty like that too. I'm going in for a bite. So good. It has just the right amount of dressing, so it's still nice and light and not heavy at all. It is so yummy. I hope you guys try this one, really. And that's it. We're all done with this easy Greek chopped salad. I hope you guys love this recipe. It has so many textures and so many flavors in it. I know that you will. It only takes 10 minutes to make, so why not make it? Make sure to give this video a like and make sure to subscribe for new recipes every single week. I love sharing them with you. I always share really quick and easy recipes that are filled with flavor so that it doesn't get boring in the kitchen. I know sometimes like you can make these recipes again and again on repeat, and sometimes it just gets like really old. So make sure to try some of my recipes, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Bye.